what I have to do now is just go to Jenkins and I have to restart my Jenkins. Just click restart and this guy should restart your Jenkins. Now, once you have added the Jenkins plugins, after that you have to add your Maven into your home for Jenkins. Let's wait. Well, your Jenkins has been restarted successfully since it runs on your Tomcat server. So restarts take at least 1 or 2 minutes. I mean, sometimes maybe more than that. Now we have to again go to manage Jenkins, and under your global tool configuration, it is here. You have to add your Maven path. So now your Maven should be coming here. Your Gradle, your Maven is there. Suppose if you have not installed your Maven plugins, you won't be able to find Maven here. So just add Maven. In the name, just put Maven. And I am not installing it automatically. I will be just giving the path. So just uncheck this and you have to now specify your Maven path. So this should be your Maven path. If you are entering any wrong data here, then your Jenkins will tell this is not working. You have to give a different path. If you pass this, it is fine. If you just enter one more bin right, your Jenkins will throw an error. See? So don't worry about it. If you give right path only, then only your Jenkins will accept your entries. So now apply. So Maven has been added. Now apply and saved. So guys, we have successfully entered our system variables. We have downloaded our plugins and enabled your Maven in your Jenkins. Now it's time for us to just create a build. Let's see if we find Maven here. Now we don't find still here. So Maven should be actually populating here if it has been installed successfully, if all the plugins has been successfully. But here you don't find it. So what you have to do, there is one more plugin which we call Unleash Jenkins. So you have to again go to Jenkins and under your Manage Jenkins, you have to go to Manage Plugins and you have to just do Jenkins here. Now from the available tools and available plugins, you have to find Unleash Jenkins. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So you have to be very careful. Let me find it. Guys, it's not Jenkins, it should be your Maven. I'm just getting confused by the namings. So Maven, if you write Maven plugins, then you can find that plugins related to your Maven. So there should be Unleash Maven. Somewhere it will be there. You have to just find it out and install this guy. Can see this? Unleash Maven is here. Just click this and install without restart. So this will be installing your plugins that is called Maven Unleash. So now once you click this has been successful. Now if you go here, let's see if it works without restart or not. New item, your Maven should be there. Yeah, can you see this? Now Maven project is there. Now click on your Maven project. You have to just enter a file name. So this is my Maven project. Just click this here. Okay, and you have to select which project this is. This is Maven project. Click OK. Now it will tell the description what file it is. This is my first Maven project. You can just put it like that. And once going to this source code management, you can just mention Git because we already have Java code in our Git repository. So you have to click on Git. Now you have to give your repository URL. So let's open Git now. If you open GitHub, you can find your versions here. Let me sign in. So mine is Jupiter, not Jupiter Moon. So we have Saturn rings. I just made on the scholar drill. Okay, so we have Techstar as our project name. So if you directly copy this thing, right, this is our actually a repository location. So you have to put this location here. If you put wrong location, it will throw an error. So this is right. So in credentials, leave it blank because we have not set the extra credentials. Build to branch is master. Go down, build environment is there. just leave everything as it is. We are building through master, so that's fine. Now go down and you have building this Java code. So you have to mention this pom.xml. This is fine. Now what are the goals? So our goal is to install the package. So since Maven is your declarative language, so you just declare what you want to do. So just I will just mention like install, and the code word will be like package. Okay, spelling is fine. Now let's save this. First apply. Saved is already, it's already saved, and now it's saved. Now if you go to your dashboard, you will find a Maven project. Now I will run this project and see if it gets successful. So if it gets successful, it will show in blue, otherwise red. So you can see this project has been executed now. Now let me see the console output. This is the console output, guys. It has been started by admin user. This is your build is in progress, and I hope this will be successful. These are the phases. I will be explaining it. So we have warning, so let's skip the warning. There should not be any error, that's the goal. So it is downloading all those repositories from your Git, and now it is building server, this snapshot. Now okay, now it is compiling. So within seconds it will be done. Now it is testing. So it shows test. Okay, let's wait for it to complete. Alright guys, this has been completed successfully. You can see build is success, finish with success thing. Everything we have got is all success. It has built a Maven project, it has server, it has built web app. So your first Maven project, which was based on your Java code, has been successfully built by your Maven through Jenkins. So your Jenkins and Maven is all set with your plugins. Now it's time for us to install your Apache Tomcat server, and we have to again then install our deployment tool, which will be installing Ansible.